Hello friends, welcome to the online global workshop on research methodology starting from 27th of June 2020. I am Dr. Nitin Kubde from SIS College of Management Studies, Nerul, Navi Mumbai, working as an associate professor in the area of operations management. Well friends, the topic of our discussion would be data collection methods. So, in simple word, what do you mean by data? What is data? Data is all about the information gathered by the researcher for the research. So, the information can be in the form of numbers, which is in a quantifiable form. We are able to measure it, called as quantitative data. There can be information which we are able to experience, which can be explained, which is given in the descriptive form, called as qualitative data. The information gathered by the researcher, which is a real-time information gathered for the purpose of research by using some or other data collection technique called as primary data. This data was not there in existence earlier, that had been created by the researcher for the purpose of conducting research. Whereas secondary data, which is already in existence and the researcher has gathered the relevant information for the purpose of research from the information available in some or other resource. But friends, what is important is the purity of data and the source from where you gather the information. Purity of data and the authenticity of the source plays a very important role in the entire research process. If your data is very much pure, if your source is very much authentic, then the possibility of commitment of error in the entire research process is getting minimized. For instance, we'll take a small example. We experienced Kargil war and currently we are experiencing India-China border dispute. What is crucial over here for our defense system? The information which is getting every day and night, the critical aspects. Based on that, our entire defense system is strategizing how to counter the situation. Now let us imagine if the flow of information is wrong. In that case, our entire mode of operandi would be wrong and there would be a great fiasco in the entire mission. So in order to avoid all these failures, what is important is the flow of information, correctness of the data, and authenticity of the source. Normally, in the entire research process, we talk about 4 or 5 questions. What are these questions? What, when, where, and how. The entire research process, rather the data collection process, is revolving around these four or sometimes five questions. What? What to gather? We have to gather the very authentic, relevant, and pure data. So it gives the characteristics of the data. When to gather? Definitely, if you get a real-time data, would be of more benefit. So it gives a time frame, a chronological situation to gather the information, to gather the data. Where to gather? It gives a geographical location from where the researcher is supposed to gather the information, and most importantly, how to gather the information. The last part, that is how to gather the information, we are going to discuss, we are going to learn on the third day of our workshop, that is 29th of June. That is the third session of our research methodology workshop. I would request all of you to mark on your calendar, and please be there on 29th of June to discuss on the topic, that is data collection methods. Thank you very much.